So Jiva Goswami is reminding us of, here the gopis are reminding us of Krishna's identity. So in a Braja gopis in a mood of humility, Shantaras is characterized by humility. God is great, I am small. And he's there, and I love God, I worship him, but I don't worry about it too much. So this awe and reverence, distance. So this is Shantaras. So that's why they use words. Jiva Goswami is saying, what are the words in this verse? Vibho, which means the all-pervading Supreme One. It's like saying, oh, you're the Supreme Super Soul. And they say you're Adi Purusha. And they say you're Narayan, because you can say Mr. Gates, or you can say the millionaire, or let's say the zillionaire, whatever. So if you say the zillionaire, it means Mr. Gates, or you say Mr. Gates. So when you say Mamukshu, the word Mamukshu isn't Narayan. It doesn't say Narayan. This is called Parokshavad. One word indicates another idea. Paroksh means indirect. So the acharyas are all commenting, even the translation, it says in the BBT, oh stubborn one, Durvagraha. It's all short. Durvagraha. Durvagraha. They say, oh stubborn one. Then why don't you reciprocate with us, as it says, like Lord Sri Narayan reciprocates with his devotees who want liberation. But it just says Deva, Adi Purusha. So you can draw the conclusion that Adi Purusha is Narayan, and Deva is Narayan, and Mamukshun, you could also say that means Narayan. So he's explaining that all these words, he says, Vibho, all-powerful one, Deva, the Supreme Personality of God, or the Supreme Deva. Just like in a mock anger, of lovers, sometimes the lady love may go like this, like on the chest of a husband, to pound him and say, "You stubborn one, you're cruel." But it's all in love, for a different reason. You're cruel, whatever. If you can understand. So the Braja Gopis, words that are full of passion and intimacy, such as "you cruel one," nirsham sham, which means harsh, you're cruel, you're a murderer. As we've heard, and as everyone said, sometimes you get very angry with your beloved, and you say, "I just want to kill you," and then you walk out of the room and you slam the door. You ever heard this before? That this is because it's ras, but it's also education, it's also philosophy, tattva, everything's there. That's the beauty of it all. Another conception, which runs parallel to this, it's called Aishvarya and Madhurya. Aishvarya Vichar and Madhurya Vichar. So everywhere these two threads, it's like you see blankets in India, cheap blankets. They say, well, this is a wool blanket. And unless you spend a lot of money, a whole lot of money, you never really get a pure woolen blanket. How are the gopis speaking? The gopis are speaking, it's a blend of Aishwarya. Oh, you're the Paramatma, you're the super soul, you're the Adi Purush, you're the creator. You stubborn one, just embrace us and kiss us and dance with us. So Jiva Goswami says this verse is a combination of Shantaras and Shringarati. Is it the lowest, most impersonal way? Oh yeah. Are you a devotee? Yeah, Krishna's there. Krishna's there for me. I think of him. Haribo, Radhi. So you meet so many people in India like that. Oh yes, I believe in Krishna. And someone else is all day long, Hare Krishna, 3 lakhs a day. So you can see the vast difference of the intimacy. Someone has so much intimacy with Krishna that they want to be with him at every moment. They're chanting and thinking. Someone else says, "Oh, hey, come on, I went to the temple on Janmashtami." I said, "Yeah, well, that was 360 days ago." No, in 5 days I'll go again. Every year I go on Janmashtami. So this is a very much Shantaras. You're worshiping the object of unlimited love, but your approach to him is Shanta. So the gopis are saying, "Oh, you're the super soul, and first they say Vibho. Vibho actually means you're a big man." Krishna says, "Yeah, I'm a big man, And you're the Adi Purusha. You're the greatest of all gods. You're the Adi Purusha. Yeah, that's right. You got it right. And you're the Deva. Yeah, I'll tell you later that I'm Deva Deva Jagatpate. Because later in Gita, Krishna says, I'm Deva Deva Jagatpate.